Mic check. Yeah, all okay? Can we start? So, good evening, everybody. This is Larsen Toubro. We are a very big company, 30.5 billion company. Or so this is the world's largest statue. What we have done, 182 meter. It is in Ahmedabad, built in 33 months. This is world's biggest cricket stadium, done in Ahmedabad again, and it has capacity 110,000 spectators can sit together. This is heaviest gas platform what L&T has done for Saudi Aramco, weighing more than 6,500 metric ton. This is the single largest order what we have done for the KNPC Kuwait, 290 mm thickness chrome moly vanadium, and they were supplied from single barge. This is world's largest LC mass reactor for HPCL, 2250 metric ton, 3 reactors. So those photos I wanted to just show what L&T does. We are a group of company, 87-year-old company. There are basically 3 types of work what we do. We do EPC, we do heavy engineering, the high-tech manufacturing, and the services. I am representing the heavy engineering where we do nuclear grade equipment manufacturing for India. So high-tech manufacturing, we are like a kind of a powerhouse where we have a heavy engineering. We have our own forge shop. We do all nuclear grade forgings for Indian program. We also have a pipe fabrication unit where we do 3D bending, induction bending, the turbine boiler, the modular work, and also the precision engineering systems. So let's understand what heavy engineering is. So this is our facility, which is west to Mumbai, and it's called Hazira, where we have a largest facility, 3.6 million meter square area, having covered area 100,000 meter square, and 70,000 ton metric ton is the capacity of this facility. This waterfront gives the gateway to the west. It is near to the Arabian Sea, and we can supply the big size equipment from here easily. The last year we supplied 5,000 metric ton single equipment from this facility. This is facility, again a small facility in Vadodara, again in Gujarat. This particular facility talks about how the exotic materials can be handled. They are expert. They do tantalum and nickel-based alloys, cobalt-based alloys, and these are very critical equipments what we do in Vadodara. We have 52 plus countries where we have been supplying different equipments, including Italy in France. 4,000 plus equipment has been successfully supplied. So it's basically more than 65% of revenue, heavy engineering revenue comes from the international market. In nuclear, what we do? So the entire Indian program, the PHWR, can-do reactor, we started from 220 megawatt. Now we are doing 700 megawatt. So all the nuclear island equipment, critical equipments are supplied from our facility at Hazira. We do steam generator, end chill, calendria, pressurizer, and other than that, we are also doing heater, the outer body of heater, cryostat, we have supplied from this facility. We have supplied a lot of cask and canisters to US and Europe market for Orano design. These are the few key equipment I talked. Forging, the entire pressure boundary forging for PHWR program is supplied from this facility. So we can do steam generator forging, the calendria, the pressurizer. So entire range is available here. We have supplied 40 plus steam generators. Right now we have 20 steam generator orders which we are executing for pressurized heavy water reactor Indian program. And as I said, we have done work for cryostat. There are a few pictures which indicates the global benchmark what L&T Heavy Engineering has done. We have done Tarapur nuclear power plant in 60 months. It's kind of a global benchmark. where we did on time and within budget. The cryostat, the SS outside body of the tokamak pit, it was supplied 2 years ahead of schedule. Now the steam generator we have been supplying 1 year ahead of schedule. The contractual delivery date is 45 months and we have been supplying in 33 months. How this has happened? We believe this is because of the nuclear culture. We have a strong nuclear culture. We have a strong digitally enabled facility in our house. We focus on first time right. What you do first time right. Instead of rushing for the process and the speed, you focus on the procedure and first time right, you will get a good job. And yes, we have a state-of-art facility which helps us, and focus on training and also giving a proper technology to your people. So that helps for on-time delivery. As I said, we have supplied 160 plus cask and canisters to US market. Energy Solutions, Duke Energy, Orano, all this. And the US NRC have audited our facility 2 times, and they certified us to continue to the work. We have done these equipment under 10 CFR program. As I said, we have a global world-class steel melting facility, 9,000 metric ton open die furnace, 120 metric ton EAF, electric arc furnace. What we have done is maximum ingot of 208 metric ton. And maximum forge weight what we have handled is 125 metric ton. This facility can take up more work. We're also talking to the people like EDF, Westinghouse. We want to qualify this facility for their forgings, RPV and all that. And we are ready for the investment. So this is all Indian program, all the forgings what we do there. The entire pressure boundary forgings are done there in the facility what we talked. So steam generators, end shields, pressurizers, all those forgings are done there. In fact, our facility has been approved by Framatome for pressurizer forging. These are the big forgings what we have developed for the strategic projects and also for the Indian reactors. 440 mm thickness, 250 mm thickness, 750 mm thickness cell, and 100 millimeter thickness titanium forgings. We are the company who holds N-stamp, NPT, NA, NS. In India, you don't need to hold these stamps to do the nuclear job. We are the only company holding this stamp. We are also ISO 19443 qualified company, which is needed for European market, not for India, but we are focusing more on that. So we are in the supplier list of Westinghouse. Westinghouse team audited our facility. We are in their ASL list. We are also discussing them for their QSL program. We had a wonderful meeting this morning, and we are seriously exploring the opportunity what we can do together. EDF, they are working with us for Jaitapur program. We are also talking to them for the French reactors, how we can collaborate. As I said, Framatome has already qualified us for their pressurizer forgings. So our entire facility is digitally enabled facility. You can see one operator is operating 3 welding stations. In fact, now we have gone to the 6 welding stations. So this is the kind of automation and the kind of work we are doing there. We are using a lot of AI and ML to improve the productivity, and that is how it is helping. This is our 100,000 class manufacturing where we do steam generator. We also have a 10,000 class facility where we do further critical activity. This is the workshop where all 20 steam generators being manufactured. So digital factory, now we have gone digital metrology. We are focusing more on that. We are also investing more time on smart manufacturing, QR code, delivering the consumables on station, maybe using the drone. All that we are evaluating and implementing. We have gone to use cobots to do the testing, ultrasound testing. We are talking to the ASME whether we can allow cobots to get qualified, also do the testing for the nuclear grade welds. Our company has wide experience of different materials. So let it be SS, nickel, zirconium, titanium-based alloys, aluminum-based alloys, almost all the material we can handle. We have 5,800 welding procedures, more than 530 plus world-class welders, and 27 plus the professionals, welding engineers. In India, now India is talking about how we can grow from 8.9 to 100 gigawatt. So India is at current position only 8.9 gigawatt with their 25 reactors. They want to go 100 gigawatt. They want to grow 2.1 gigawatt reactor addition every year. So that's the golden opportunity. Then India has also kept 2 billion euro for the R&D of SMR. They are developing their own SMR. BARC and DAE, they are developing the SMR. They are discussing with L&T how we can work together. They are coming up first. The SMR 1.0 is Bharat small reactor, which is nothing but the 220 megawatt reactor. But then going forward, they will modify and it will be Bharat small modular reactor. The government is also talking about how can we amend the CLND, the Nuclear Liability Act, and in line with the international practices. Also, they are talking about how we can allow private players to enter into nuclear. Now, all the nuclear operations at present is done by the government companies. So that is expected this winter season in Parliament, and if that happens, it will open up a lot of things. In fact, they are talking about allowing FDI, 49%. So we are hopeful. The Niti Aayog, the brain of India, which does the planning, they are targeting 25% nuclear energy by 2050, which is around 1 to 2% as of now. So India is going big way in nuclear. For our facility, as of now, we are able to produce 4 steam generators every year. We want to grow to 12 steam generators every year. As of now, L&T uses only 25% of its facility. So easily we can scale it up as the work comes, and maybe we are also ready for the investment if the international technology comes into picture. So at L&T, we offer a kind of a one-stop solution. We have our own construction EPC. We do heavy engineering, manufacturing. All the nuclear and equipment of Indian program, more than 60%, we do. We have our own nuclear L&T valves, our own forging shop, and also the piping. So together, we are like a one-stop solution for nuclear business. Thank you. You have any question I can answer? Can I have a mic?
Very nice to hear about L&T. You were saying that most of your deliveries are before time. What's the magic?
So we talked about that. 4 or 5 things. One is preparation. Thank you. So 4 or 5 things we talked. One is the preparation. Give time for the preparation. Focus on first time right. In nuclear, if you try to do speed, you make up a mess, and then everything goes to the quality person, everything goes to the design. So focus on first time right. Have a world-class technology facility, which we have invested. Then your people, you have to keep the talent with you. This business needs time. You cannot, overnight, you cannot have people who can manage this. So we have a talent pool which we have restored. And also now we are going digitally enabled facilities. A lot of things we are doing automation, we are using AI, ML, or all our entire welding machines, they are connected to Wi-Fi. Consumable, they come through drone. So you cannot mix any consumable. They are QR codes, so welders are qualified, and you can get your consumable which are certified in the process. All this ensures then you are doing whatever is first time right, and if you do first time right, you will be faster. So steam generator we implemented, we are doing 33 months delivery against 45. Crash test the entire outer housing, we delivered 2 years ahead of schedule. Pressurizer 6 months, end shield another 6 months. So we are able to meet. In fact, now we are telling the purchaser to revise the schedule so that this gets help to them. the nuclear reactor come up faster.
Do you have SAP or some PLM systems
We
which,
have developed our own PLM system. We call it Integrated Quality Manual System, IQEMS, which we use for the nuclear. We have the nuclear quality program, which is integrated in this. So it locks, no stage can be taken forward. It digitally controls. The people who are authorized can only allow you to process further.
and is,
But at L&T level, we are now going for SAP. The individual businesses had their own quality system and the PLM. Now, across L&T, we are going SAP.
and manufacturing blue collar is your own blue collar?
Yes, yes. So, nuclear, normally we keep 70-30 ratio. Majority of the work is done by our own employed workmen, which are fixed. So, that is how you get the talent. We have a little flexible manpower as well. Yep. Thank you.